Hello all, welcome to our session. This is our biology class. This class we are going to discuss about 8th standard microorganisms lesson. Nowadays we know very well the pandemic, biggest pandemic is going on, the lockdown, continuous lockdown going on. The interrupted, all the field are interrupted. Okay, the economic level will be dropped. What is the main reason? Okay, every day wherever we go, we heard only one word like corona, 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 like that. The coronavirus. So what is that coronavirus? That is a microorganism. That is a microorganism. So in this class we are going to discuss about the microorganisms, what are the microorganisms and its type, what are the characteristic features, what are the character of the microorganisms, and what are the structure and its type. These are all we are going to discuss. Okay. Now microorganism. So microns, it's a Latin word. Micron, okay, it is invisible. Microorganism that's invisible. We can't able to see in a naked eye. We can't able to see in a naked eye. That is known as a microorganisms. Okay, all the our surroundings are occupied by microorganisms. We can't able to see that. But mainly we want to see the result, that is with the help of the microscope we can able to see that. That is microorganism. That is one of the characteristic feature of microorganism. It's invisible in nature. The invisible world is there. Okay, the biggest invisible world is there. That is microorganisms. Okay, several types is there. That is virus and bacteria, protozoans, algae and fungi, etc. These are all the okay. So now the virus. What is virus? The HIV. Okay, virus we know coronavirus. Okay, coronavirus. We said every day we said coronavirus like that. Okay. So now the coronavirus. Okay, every virus it is contains one of the genetic material we know very well, that is RNA. Okay, all the virus contains one of the genetic material which is known as a RNA. It covered by one of the code is known as a protein code. Okay, that RNA is covered by the protein code. This is the structure of the virus. Okay, so one of the genetic material with the protein code. Okay, it is covered by one of the protein code. Okay, the capsule is there. Okay, these are all the, it is the structure of a virus. And the virus are commonly causes the cold in all the organisms, all the living higher organisms, especially mammals. Okay, we also suffered by the common cold now. Okay, while in the corona, in the pandemic period, they are when we enter into the hospital now, they search the temperature, body temperature. What is that? That is infection. What is the infection in our body? It is measured by the thermometer. Okay, when the microorganism enter into the body, it is measured by the thermometer. Okay, the body temperature is easily rise up our body temperature. Okay, we can easily measure that with the help of thermometer and etc. So that is a virus commonly causes the common cold and HIV, okay, etc. So these are all the viral diseases. Okay, causes the disease. Naturally, the virus is a invisible and non-living in nature. In In atmosphere, it is a non-living. When it is entered into the host body, okay, when it is entered into the host body, it will be active. It will be active. It is a parasitic in nature. All the organisms, all the microorganisms are parasitic. Parasitic. What is parasitic? Already we learned in lower classes. What is parasitic? Parasitic in the sense that is they take in the food. They gain the energy from another sources. Another sources. From the host body. They gain the energy from host body, which is known as the parasite. So all the microorganisms are follow the parasitic in nature. Okay, so that is known as parasitic. Okay, virus, the parasitic, and bacteriophage. What is bacteriophage? This is structure of a virus I told already. Okay, so one of the RNA with the protein code already I told, and apart from this, some kind of the bacteria, some kind of the virus, it contains a bacterial coat with viral character. In outside it contains a bacterial coat, but inside it contains a viral virulent character. This is causing character RNA like that, which is known as bacteriophage. They kill the bacteria and they enter into the body. Simple. They kill the bacterial body, and it is entered into the host, that bacterial body. The virus which is kill that bacterial body and enter into the, which is known as a bacteriophage. Bacteria means eaten by virus. Okay. So that is known as a viral and its character and its structure. Okay. And now the bacteria. What's bacteria? Under Leeuwenhoek, he was first discovered the structure of a bacteria. It is hexagonal in shape from the part wood. Okay, wood part. Okay, it is under Leeuwenhoek. He was discovered the structure that is a hexagonal in shape, the bacteria. Okay, this is a structure of bacteria. Here, one of the protein coat with the genetic material DNA is present, which is bacterial structure. Okay, their flagella is arranged. Flagella is arranged. Flagella means there is a locomotory organ. The hair-like structure are surrounded in bacteria, which is known as the flagellae. And next, it is we can't able to see the naked eye. I already told you. Okay, that we can't able to see the naked eye. With the help of the microscope, we can see. Okay, the microscope also it was discovered by the the electron microscope, compound microscope like that. Okay, simple microscope. With the help of the simple microscope, we can see that bacteria, virus, all the viral organisms. These are all. Okay, now based on the structure, the bacteria is classified. That is Bacillus, cocci, and Spirillum. Bacillus, cocci, and Spirillum. Okay, Bacillus in the sense that is a rod-shaped bacteria, tuberculosis like that. And the cocci in the sense ball-shaped, round-shaped bacteria like that. Spirillum in the sense spiral-shaped. Okay, spiral binding on that spiral-shaped bacteria. Okay, which is known as a spirillum. So based on the structure, the bacteria are classified, isn't it? And the next, it is basically two types. That is, so based on that, characteristic is basically two types. That is harmful and useful. Harmful bacteria and useful bacteria. Based on the characteristic features, the bacteria are classified. That is harmful and useful. What is it? Harmful in the sense it causes this like a virus. Like a virus, it also causes the This is through the medium, air medium or water medium, food medium, like that. It is transferred into another area and another host body, and it spread out the disease, that is typhoid, tuberculosis, cholera, etc. Like that. And next, uses. What is the useful of bacteria? It is bacteria. It gives some kind of the uses into human beings. What are all? That is lactobacilli bacteria. Lactobacilli, especially the lactobacillus bacteria, which is convert milk into curd. Milk into curd. It's one of the wonderful fermentation mechanism. Okay, it is held in milk, lactic acid. Okay, it is done by lactobacillus bacteria. The milk convert into curd. Okay, and next rhizobus. What is rhizobus? Okay, the rhizobus is one of the bacteria which is fix the nitrogen in air, atmosphere, and it enriches the nitrogen level in soil. These are all the uses. That is done by rhizobus bacteria. Nitrogen fixing in atmosphere and enriches the soil nitrogen level. So that is a bacteria and its characteristic structure we discussed. And next one is protozoa. What is protozoa? Protozoa, it is a simple and unicellular organism. Simple and unicellular organism, somehow which is a developed category compared between virus and bacteria. It is a developed category. These organisms are entered in the earth. First of all, main thing, so we want to know that this group, this group is entering into the earth. First of all, it is entering into the earth. Okay, main thing. The thing you want to know. Okay, the first living being, first living organism enter into the earth, the protozoans. And simple and unicellular organism. Simple unicellular organism, we know amoeba, paramecium, euglena, etc. The unicellular organism, the irregular shape, the amoeba we already learned, that is protozoa. Okay, that is first life in the earth. And next, you have paramecium. This is a paramecium, the chapel shaped the protozoa with the flagellae arranged. We know. Here, the flagellae is the flagellae is a locomotory organ. Okay, which is move from one place to another place. It helps to the locomotion, which is known as a euglena, as a flagellae. And next is the plasmodium. It's another category in protozoa, okay, which causes the malaria. Okay, malaria, we know the disease. It is caused by Plasmodium P, vivox, Plasmodium malaria, Plasmodium falciparum, like that. Different kind of the disease are malaria disease are caused by the Plasmodium, especially protozoans. Okay, so these are all the different kind of the group are there in the microorganism. And upcoming classes, the next category is fungi. Okay, fungi and algae, like that. Okay, these are all we are going to discuss in the upcoming classes. Okay, revise the topic. Okay, then remaining we will discuss at the next class. Thank you very much.